our one vegetable that I think we generally enjoy it any way we make it, be it a fry, a curry or a masala. So today I'm going to show you guys a very nice Achari Aloo roast. Let's get started and check out the recipe. First I'm going to boil potatoes. I'm going to pressure cook 6 medium-sized potatoes for this recipe. Pressure cook the potatoes for about 4 whistles on medium flame. The potatoes are cooked. I'm going to slice them. So I have these nice even slices. Now I'm going to roast the potatoes. For this, take a nice white pan. Add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, a dash of hing or Asafoetida powder. Now add the sliced potatoes. After 2 to 3 minutes, you can turn the slices to the other side. Just roast them. Season it with a little salt. Sprinkle some turmeric powder and chili powder. I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon of Kalonji seeds, 1/2 teaspoon Garam Masala powder, a little Amchur powder. Mix everything. So you can see the potatoes have become crispy and firm. Finally, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of pickle gravy. Now for this you can use any pickle of your choice. So I'm just going to gently smear the pickle gravy. If you need more, you can always add more. So I've added 2 tablespoons of pickle gravy to make sure that the potatoes are coated in the gravy. The Achari Aloo is done. Serve it hot. You can eat it as is. Actually, it looks extremely tempting for me to take a bite of this. You can enjoy this Achari Aloo roast either with chapati or rice, or eat it as is. And if you do enjoy spice, you can increase the spice count a little bit higher. So do enjoy and try this recipe. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.